And good evening. Thanks very much for joining us from the Penn State Campus Weather Service. I'm Ryan Breton, and we are tracking a significant winter storm that's going to be impacting the Commonwealth during the day tomorrow. We're going to have periods of snow throughout much of the day, the heaviest of which comes in during the afternoon and evening, meaning that travel will deteriorate as the day progresses. We're expecting snow throughout the entire state, several inches for much of the state. So if you're traveling north, south, east, west, there are going to be issues tomorrow. The National Weather Service has already issued winter storm warnings for much of the state, all of the areas in pink from the Lehigh Valley to even the Happy Valley right now. We are under a winter storm warning here in State College. Winter weather advisories for Pittsburgh and Philadelphia for lesser amounts of snow. It's been a quiet day. We have seen more clouds moving into especially western and central Pennsylvania through the course of the day, but the broader scale picture shows here is our next storm system now coming into St. Louis with a bit of a wintry mix, and all of this is going to be tracking toward Pennsylvania through the overnight tonight. So let's track it with our eye on the future computer model starting this evening. Note the snow moving into Illinois and Indiana, and by tomorrow morning that snow comes into Pennsylvania. 9 o'clock we're expecting snow especially in central and western Pennsylvania. That's where we'll find the steadiest snow tomorrow morning. The snow will tend to pick up intensity though as the morning and afternoon progress. By mid-afternoon, snowing all four corners of the state it appears, and as we go through the course of the afternoon and evening, that snow will become heavier. We're stopping the clock here at 7:30 in the evening. Some of the darker blues here on the projected radar indicative of some steady to heavy snow throughout central Pennsylvania. The snow will continue into tomorrow evening, likely tapering off by midnight, and then by Sunday morning we'll actually find clearing skies with perhaps a bit of lake effect snow both off the lake shore of Erie and in the Laurel Highlands behind the storm. So what are we talking about in terms of snowfall? Well, it's a complicated storm to figure out exactly how much snow we're going to receive, but it appears southern Pennsylvania you'll begin to get into a mix around Philadelphia and a mix southwest of Pittsburgh, limiting your amounts. But much of the state, this is going to be a general 4 to 8 inch snowfall, and there could be some places here just west of State College, north of I-80, and then into the Poconos that receive upwards of 8 inches, and there might be an isolated spot or two that picks up 10 or 12 inches by the time the storm is done Sunday morning. Something that we're going to watch, but here in State College will likely end up around 6 or 8 inches by the way things look right now. So the forecast for tonight, increasing clouds, flakes moving in by morning, very cold, lows in the 20s, and that plays into the forecast for tomorrow. It's going to be a very light and fluffy snow. High temperatures only in the upper 20s. Snow will be heavy at times, and poor travel is anticipated during the day tomorrow. 7-day forecast shows it will clear out here on Sunday. Monday is a much cooler and windy day, highs only in the low 20s. And then we'll have a clipper system come in for Tuesday, and that could bring some light snow then as well. This is the final forecast of the semester, but we'll be following this storm on Twitter at PSU Weather, so we hope you join us there.